Good morning, traders. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. This is Jay. Welcome to another episode with Bookmap. I had over here a very good morning with Alexandra, my bear. I had a trader before, and we were looking at what the market is doing. Actually, we have a lot of things going on in the small cap land. We started trading pretty early. We are here from 4 o'clock. Before going, let's give a few news over here. First, remember that you have to read the disclaimer. We trade live in the room, but if you're new, always know that what we give is not a financial advice, but is only for educational purpose. We are here every Wednesday. It's some good years that we're working with Bookmap, an incredible tool. And I'm not here to convince you about anything. I'm just showing you how me and other 6 and 7 figure traders are using this in the room, or I would say they're using it to have more conviction in their trading. I always say this, trading with Bookmap is just like the same way that you're in winter and you're going on the snow without snow tires. Right now I'm not gonna be trading anymore, but I'm gonna alert and explain all the setup that we have. We had some pretty good trades over here from this morning over here. We're trading with our buddies. This is a short that we took, a set of shorts over here, beautiful J lines, and then another short over here, 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 and so on. This is actually Nuke and UKK. So you know that all these stocks that are really ramping on day one, they have generally a decent day fader on day two, until we don't have any kind of high volume. Having said this, two other news that I want to give you. First of all, I wanted to give something that all traders can have. So just go on my Twitter, JTraderco, and you will receive, if you register for free, my DAS hotkey indicators package. Okay, so what I mean indicators, you will have the template that I use and how I set up my Jtrader Pro. You can do the same one in the same thing. I mean, if you take like Sterling, you just see how it's configured and you can do the same thing. Then I'm giving like hotkeys. So there are certain hotkeys for beginners and some for advanced, which calculate the risk, the dollars. So it's a pretty good tool, right? And then I'm giving a free ebook guide, which is, pretty good. We'll give you like some hot tips that you can actually use in the market for routes, for brokers, for trading and so on. One more thing, I wanted to create something for all the traders that have a small account, because the majority of the traders that join trading, they have a small account, right? And I want to make something fair for everybody, because there's like a lot of going on. Traders think, or newbies think, that just trading is a scam because they see like on YouTube or on Instagram, they receive like publicity format where they show you that $100 you can make like 10 millions, or they make you join like my friend did. He's a professional bodybuilder. They ask you to join Telegram. He joined, working, actually following these bots, and he lost like half of his account in about 2 days. What I tell you is learn how to trade. That's the reason why I created a challenge with Kinfo, with Zimtra. We're giving some free accounts, also real accounts, legit accounts. So you're not trading a demo, you're trading really real money. So $2,000 accounts, and we're giving 10K in prizes. So you can register. You're just allowed to use in the beginning a 5K account. So even if you have a leverage of, let's say 10 per, you can only trade 5K to start. This is because we want to give the possibility to everybody, to trade in the same way. If you have a 2K account, 3K account, doesn't matter, as long as you don't pass when you start the 5K capital, okay? The capital, that's important. So you can use, for example, 1K account with, for example, leverage, okay, of 5K, so you'll 5 per, so you'll use 5K. But all the rules are over here. In Small Account Challenge, you can reach out to me. You can actually look at my Twitter, okay, to sign up. And what we're gonna do, every single day, we're gonna screen share also the recaps. So from 12:30 to 1 p.m., I'm gonna screen share Bookmap, and I'm gonna screen share together this challenge to show you how we trade. The point, what is? The point is to show that with discipline, ideally I won't blow up, okay? But the point is to share that with discipline and with playbook, so a systematic strategy process, you can actually be consistent. A lot of traders are doing this. You know, it will just be interesting for me to get back with a small account and see what we can do. The last thing that I want to tell you is that I'm pretty happy this year to announce that 2 traders that came to the academy over here in Italy. So by me, they just had this month their record day, and that was a very, very great, I would say, achievement. I'm so proud of that. And for who still didn't have, you know, that consistency yet in trading, what I tell you is just simply look how we trade, because what we trade is simply using back-tested strategies. All right, so that is it. So first of all, it's 9 o'clock. We start a little bit early. So if you need help to find a small account challenge link, or you want the free Jtraderco template scripts and trading guide, just reach out in email, team@JTraderco, or you can simply DM me on Twitter, and you know, my team will help you out. All right, so what you're looking for today? What are you looking to trade? Busy morning. The last one on MOBX. Anybody took MOBX over here with us? So we alerted this. And we're finding all these stocks with the Intraday, so it's pretty quick. I'm gonna put out the forecast over here. Nvidia and Mu Tesla. Paul, are you also looking at small caps? That's my main point. Only pure market for now. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's good. So I want to give you over here a taste, okay, of what we have traded this morning. Let's see, LITM. LITM is going to be good. But we traded all these stickers, NU, PRZO, all of these, okay? The morning was good. We started at 4 o'clock, so if you are in Europe, if you are like in Asia, if you're like in Russia, if you're like in the Middle East, join with us pretty early, because there's plenty money to do. I mean, some of these stocks already trade like 20 million pre-market, so that's like something crazy. This 2020 is a bull market. Sorry, 2024 is a bull market, even better than how it was 2020 in small cap land. All right, let's look at LITM. Good morning, P. So P is a trader, Pierre is a trader. He's single, guys, also. Remember, he's single. He's a pretty good looking boy. And teacher, trader, fantastic friend. So reach out to him. I know, Carlito, I know, buddy. Thank you very much. We're gonna start over here to trade. Okay, so there we go. That's a screen this morning. Okay, so let's start over here. First of all, this is my my template that I used. We have this morning TCBP. We showed over here at the top using Bookmap. This is a stock that we're still in short. We have over here PLRZ. Okay, we're still in a short. CDTX, we took the short over here. This green line, we're out. NQ, we had a short play over here, the Zealand rejection. I will also put over here Tesla this morning, pretty interesting for me. And I'm gonna look to, you know, help you in the trading this morning, help you to build a process, okay? And to time the entries. For who just arrived, remember this morning, we are trading small caps, some also large cap futures. We already have 10 stocks this morning traded. We also invite you to participate starting from mid-January, the 21st of January, to the small account challenge with Kinfor. Bookmap is going to be always, you know, screen share by me. and also with Zintra, with Jtrade. But remember, you can also trade with your own broker as long as you start your account with less than 5K. Another thing, as I said before, I'm gonna be in Dubai. Actually, I didn't say before. I will be in Dubai from the 14th to the 17th. It's gonna be the IFX, so the meeting for traders. I'm gonna be there with Zintra, Humble Trader, Edu Trades, and a few other friends. We're gonna have a party, so that's the reason why we're bringing Edu. I'm kidding, but if you want to come in Dubai, we're gonna have a seminar one day. We're gonna hang out together. It's gonna be good. You can come with me to train and just see you over there all in Dubai. For info, reach out to me. Okay, you can reach out to me. All right, guys, WIMI on the watch. Let's look at WIMI. So we had it before. This pushed up pretty good. And WIMI has a history of fading on day one. I like the short in the 114, 115. So let's start looking at WIMI team. I think over here WIMI will simply dump. So let's look over here for some short play, this 115, 120 area. With the stuffy, risk is going to be between 2 and 4 cents. TP is going to be 0.90 and lower. Okay. Anybody watching WIMI? You can follow today on YouTube or Discord Bookmap. But we're still holding short. TCBP is going long over here, you see?
Yeah.
Dopo le ricordiamo oggi. Ok. TCBP is curling. So we have PLRZ that is setting up for a gap and crap at the gate. CTTX possibly for a gap and extension play. VST for a gap and crap. PRZO for a gap and crap. And UKK day 2 gap and crap. But over here I'm looking for a push to the 132, re-add more. RZLV for a gap and crap. So WIMI, you can see, is behaving. Let's look on WIMI. Very good timing, Carfed. So 118 the fill, beautiful, bro. We can see the shift of here, right? Price going up, lower high, boom, dump. I don't see any kind of volume, so I don't see why WIMI cannot go to the target, which is 0.90. All right. LITM dumping. We are still short on Abbott, okay? We're still short on Nuke. And Nuke for me is going to be target with $10. So these day two are amazing in my opinion. So our team over here, this is the alert that we gave or got right this morning, 22. So if you go check up here the timestamps, we had a selling pressure starting over here at 23s. Looking over here to show you on Bookmap Nuke. So this was the pre-market exactly over here. So you can see once we actually fade over here the 23, we start having over here the fail. We started shorting the 22 because there was that overhead resistance on Bookmap. This was an extension play. So we shorted around 22s. We took some covers over here into the 18s, more in the 17s. Now we're holding for ideally this 11 or 10. Okay, so I really like these plays because they require one fill. Okay, they require one fill, and then you simply like, you know, just like holding them, and I think they're beautiful. MTech on watch, guys. MTech. Okay, MTech over here. This is the other one that we took. We're gonna talk about later. Okay, they're short MNTBA. So MTech is a high forecast fader. Some spread here. Very spread over here. Don't like when there's too much spread. Short will be in this 4, but the risk has to be 390, 395, okay. Risk 5-10 cents. TP is going to be 340. Anybody in? Un'altra. Mama Bear over here. Okay, so that's the fill. But again, something you cannot size, okay? No size on this. Weemy TP $1. Weemy, guys, Weemy. There we go. So we got the alert over here. Remember 115, 120. Nice lower high, boom. That's my play. That's the buddy. Very good, bro. You did some good trade over here. CZTX is curling in the meantime. So CZTX the gate.
Yep.
Yeah, Mintech is spready, bro. So put the risk break even. And when you trade, this has to be trading with very, very small size. Okay, because in 2 seconds, this can go literally up. Abbott, wait for the gate, bro. Abbott is gonna be good for 135, 140. Okay, so 135, 140. Want to see over here a clear out of this. We're gonna put also over here more. This, we're gonna put 4,000, 8,000 actually. We can actually decide to close it. MLBX, we don't need it anymore. MTech, we don't need it anymore. MTVA, we don't need it anymore. LITM, we don't need it anymore. TIE, very good trade, bro. I want to see that all your trades are like that, okay? All your trades. And remember, no front side short, okay? So let's prepare CGTX for the gate. Let's prepare Abbott for the gate. Yep. Precision is everything in trading. Watching CGTX. CGTX is above this previous high. MTech can push. So we're gonna wait CZX for the gate. All rest is gonna be for a gap and crap. MTech pushing. So I want to give you over here some updates on how to prepare for the pre-market plan. So you can read it over here. So each morning, look for biggest gappers and losers. Focus on 1 or 2 tickers. Mark the key levels on daily chart, hourly chart. Secondary, strategic planning, what it means decide the number of shares or contracts you will trade. Determine your entry, your stop loss. Meanwhile, J Slim short 128 on CGTX. Profit target, and determine your RR before you take the trade. Okay. 9 o'clock, mute your phone, prepare for the open, and get in your zone. Second thing is education. So once you finish the trade, review your trading, see how you have traded, focus on your, we say, evolving as a trader. Okay, so there are certain, I would say, there's a certain homework that I gave, for example, to mentor students, and I've seen this really help them. So reach out if you need help in this, or you want to work together with me for your mentorship. Set goals, okay? So this is important because you need to have goals. Without goals, you can simply know what direction you have to take and what you need to work for. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna share over here the link of the YouTube. Okay, so you can follow us also on YouTube. There's a little bit delay. YouTube is like that. I'm sorry for that. So Abbott, we're gonna stay with half-day fake out short. CDTX, we're gonna stay with the 150 short. Longs will be only the Zalens and VWAP. NQ, we're gonna stay with 22, 315, 320 for a short play. Tesla, we're gonna stay with a pop into the 468.50 for a pop and fill short. Long only above 470, so not really thinking for a long over here. Nvidia, yes, is another one that I'm watching. Pretty good, bro. So it's a gap up. Okay, I like this because we are above the previous trading range. And if NQ will be strong and reverse and everything, then I'm gonna look also for Nvidia and the over long play. So above 134.50, I'm gonna look for dips to buy long. MTech is fading, but for now I'm just waiting 9 minutes before the open. Any question, team? So first of all, we have Dubai meeting, okay? So the 15th of January. Second, what's the day we have the academy over here?
The 6th and 10th of January.
So from the 6th and 10th of January, you can actually come and trade with me over here. You're gonna have a small class. And then small account challenge starting the 21st of January with 10K in prizes, but also is like a way to trade all together with the same rules. And I would say it's a challenge for yourself, okay? That's pretty good. So reach out if you want to participate or join with us. What I'm looking over here. So this morning we have a lot on the plate. CTTX is a stock that ran all morning. So only if I see a half day fake, a 140, 150, I'm gonna look for a short play, setting up for a play. So we're gonna keep Bookmap on this. Second one is PLRZ. PLRZ is gonna be a gap and crab. So PLRZ, I'm gonna put it up over here. You saw that it faded from this high at 415, okay? We're actually short on this at 387, and then we had a little bit more at 340. So we're holding the trade short. Any pops into the $2.90, $3, I will be looking to short. VSDE, we are short on this. So VSDE, major push, double top. We got a short over here, the second short of the day around 378. So we're short on this. If we have pops into the Zalens or VWAP, we're looking to add to our position. I know that traders like Carfed will look to trade into this. NUKK is day 2. So if we have a push to the 1850 to add the position. So NUKK is going to be another interesting. So you see that we have a lot of things. So what to do? Only focus on few. Okay. So I'm going to put over here. I'm going to put over here also Abbott. I'm going to have over here this. I'm going to put over here Tesla. We're going to also have VSDE. Dopo guardiamo per i longs, ok?
Mm-hmm.
So CGTX, Abbott.
Mm-hmm.
CGTX is fading a little bit. I didn't want to trade before the gate, at least the 10 minutes before the open. I always try to wait. But in this case, it came pretty good, CGTX. Also, Abbott over here is doing the same setup, the pop and fail. E adesso ne abbiamo abbastanza.
Mi sa.
Quindi we look if they reach the high of the day, or they reach over here the yellow or the light blue. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
4 minutes to go. So again, prepare 1 or 2 tickers, being that we're trading small caps and large caps or futures. Set your risk per day. Set it with the broker. Prepare the size to trade. Prepare the setups to trade. Prepare the plan. Write it down. And I would suggest you to have next to you like a screenshot, an example of the setup you're going to trade, because you're going to trade if only and only if what you're looking is same exactly as your playbook, your setup. Okay, it has to be the same as I would say in your trading reviews. Don't overtrade beyond your maximum risk. Don't overtrade beyond your stop loss. Don't add to a losing position. Don't be stubborn. Don't trade front side. Don't show weakness. Don't buy breakouts, in the sense that majority of the breakouts will be like fake outs. Wait for a break and then looking to buy pullbacks. Much lower risk, much better, more profitable. In the room you'll see many alerts, because that's necessary so that we can be constantly following for any setup coming up. This doesn't mean that you're going to trade every single thing that we're going to alert, but when you see that alert and then you apply the strategy, the setup that we teach, okay, then I would say you're in a good spot, and the only thing to do is simply to follow the rules. Remember always, you're today over here with Bookmap. All our trading is not for financial advice, it's just for educational purpose, so read always the disclaimer. And good luck for your trading. Okay, now tunnel vision on. So you can see that I put CGTX, Bookmap and chart. We have Abbott. I'm gonna put it over here. We have Tesla here, and we have NQ. Qui è stato questo long per inside bar. Via subito. I need a ton of volume to go. We'll see after the gate.
Yeah.
And UKK curling pretty good. Came out 3 points from the lows. So we'll see if 1950-20 is a good short play. PRZO setting up another for a gap and crap. Vedi qui ci sono i sidebar, però devi stare attento perché they come down this time. VSD is fading a little bit more. Again, we're looking for a gap and crap. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. CDX, if I push, arrow, the slim or bookmap. Are you ready, team? The other one is up. UKK. 15 seconds to go. All right. So let's check also NQ, NUQQ, okay? Three seconds to go. Open. Short and NQQQ, NUQQ, or NUKK, sorry. Short 1850. Risk 19. Still watching NQQ. Push on CGTX. Up there.
Yep.
CGTX over here, poop. NUQQ push. So waiting. Tesla J-line rejection. Perfect. Waiting on AQQ. Near the J-lines over here, CGTX. So Tesla, you can see the play, NQ, you can see the play. CGTX over here giving a long play. Halted over here, NUQQ. NUKK, sorry. CGTX over here.
Yep.
Didn't give the play yet. Watching CGTX, guys. Short. The full size shorter here, 120. Risk the 122. You're trying to hold it. Let's see. 120, 121. We need to see the fail over here. If it breaks 120, we'll wash. So we are short CGTX 121. Put a arrivare un arrow e nella sua zona, capito? Very tight risk on CGTX. We want to see that fail. Fail on VSDE, $2. We're looking to covers. Tesla, the J-lines. Let's look again for another short. Nvidia on the over for a long play. VSD, big paycheck. So VSD over here, we took the short at 380s all the way down. Some covers the 3, some covers the 2. Big one. Vediamo se qui c'è il fake out. CGTX will come, so stay with the short play. Beautiful Bookmap 130.
Yeah.
CGTX, you want to see the 1 minute J lines at 109. Stay in short. We're looking for this. You can see that it came exactly to the golden zone area. Anybody in with us, traders, on CGTX? Amazing. Amazing. I knew Carfid. Didn't disappoint me. So we loaded over here. Okay, we only shorted the top. We loaded over here into the 120s. Boom, first covers, okay? MOBX VWAP. So we're looking for NUQQ. That's the perfect risk management that you must have. Short covers, react to the short position, out as soon as you see it's not working. Soon. SOUN. I'm watching over here, Nuke. Nuke open. Short Nuke 21. See you tomorrow.
Yep.
Short Nuke 21. See you tomorrow. Anybody shorted? Anybody killed it? So, alert over here, 21, boom. Okay. CGTX again. So CGTX, we have over here a gap and crap at the moment. NUKK, we have a gap and crap. VST, a gap and crap. PRZO, VWAP on hold. We're looking PRZO for a short, and we're looking again for CGTX. No, non ce ne troppi.
Okay.
Also FGL, but what's PRZO, guys? PRZO. Stai con me? PRZO. PRZO.
Yeah.
And we're watching also CGTX. PRZO pushing. Short at the 58, risk the 60. PRZO short, 58, risk 60. VWAP rejection, gap and crap. And we're looking still at our friend over here. So we're looking still at CZTX, my bear.
Yeah.
Look at CZTX if we have an alert, an error, or something like that, okay?
Yeah.
Boom! Look at PRZO. But possible curl. Nvidia breakout of the daily high on the overplay. You can see with the inside bar. Remember over here, Chai. Remember what we said, this is your long play setup. And also Charu, even if you trade only futures, this is the setup in your playbook. Remember when you did long on the over with the inside bar? So Chai, Charu, all the amazing women over here. That's a long play A+ setup.
Yeah.
Okay, so PRZO back up. We're gonna put PRZO over here. So always get out in the money. CZTX over here. Ha detto questo qui.
Yep.
PRZO waiting that golden zone, so waiting ideally 320s. Or if it stops over here. Perché questo è solo con VWAP and Bookmap.
Yep.
Okay. Watching a new KK, exactly. Dimmi se vedi J-Slims. Nvidia going good. Over here, NQ, Jalen rejection. Multiple Jalen's dip over here in CDTX. The only level to short is 125, 127. I'm looking over here for a trend line break and rejection short on PRZO. È solo guardi con Bookmap, adesso non abbiamo niente lì. PLRZ. Cover partial traders on NUKK. PLRZ move. PLRZ. PLRZ on watch. Strong volume, golden zone, heat map. Short 90, PLRZ short 90, raise the 92, 93. There we go. Raise 3 cents. Wanna see the fade over here. Remember, small float. NUKK is sick. Back to the 1 minute Jalen 17. Out right away. Break even on PLRZ. Let it go, let it go. High of day rejection. Dimmi se c'è un trade lì. watching PLRZ very closely. They're looking for a break on PLRZ. No short yet. It's above the pre-market high. Okay, that's a short.
Yep.
425. Raise the 425, 430 maximum. Cut. Pretty good over here, held down CGTX. CGTX breakdown, good. Let's look at PLRZ if we can have this pattern. PLRZ is still waiting for that pattern there. Much easier is Nvidia, Tesla, those plays. So this is exactly how traders should take something like in the HALT and UKK. 2 points and 3 points per share. This is from my team. We're still short on PRZO. We're still short over here on CGTX. We're waiting instead on PLRZ. PLRZ strong volume. PRZO coming. And UKK hold. CGTX, we're gonna hold it. Careful over here, traders on PLRZ. Setting up for a short. Not yet, still pushing. Let's see CGTX. Exactly what I want to see on CGTX. Waiting over here on PLRZ. CGTX, perfect. This is a gap and crap pattern. Target is gonna be 0.60. Okay, stuffy. Stuffy over here. Beautiful fail on PLRZ.
Conferma.
a ton of high volume. They're trying to hold that pre-market high. So you can see, traders, that once we are below that pre-market high, we're almost pretty safe. So over here, PLRZ is still holding that pre-market high, right? But if you look at PRZO, for example, VWAP rejection worked pretty good with Bookmap. This is CTTX. Again, came to the pre-market high and faded below, so worked pretty good. NQ JTrader rejection, so decent one. Tesla over here gave a very good JTrader rejection, and then it simply started to reverse. So VSD is a fader. VRR pushing, watching the golden zone, VRR to short. So VRR watching over here the level of 230 to short. And UKK going back to the level over here, 21. Short coming up on PLRZ. We need to see the breakdown of the pre-market high, so of that 415. Short over here. There we go. Guarda. Vedi quei due? Prima l'uno, poi l'altro, boom. Vedi anche quei due, prima uno, poi l'altro, boom. Exactly, buddy. Beautiful timing. So stuffy mode, short play over here, wash. Amazing. So you see, traders, that if you respect the plays and you learn the setups, then you can be becoming very consistent. VRR on watch, high of day. So team, we are just short over here on VRAR. Half day fake out. We took over here the trade. You can see over on the 240. Supply over here 250 heat map. Long play on Tesla. So dipping over here into the J-lines and push. Short over here we're holding now on PLRZ. First wave, second wave, third wave. Target is going to be this level over here. So for now the plays are working. PRZO pushing back up. So PRZO on watch. A little bit of fight between 270 to 267. Short over here, 267. Risking 270. So let's see if it can break down. So we're shorting into this resistance over here of heat map 259. Okay, working good. Risk to break even because it can still push. So nuke we are avoiding for now. Out the rest break even on PRZO. Waiting for the golden zone now. So waiting for 320s. Why 320? Because this is a major level of here resistance that I see in the market. So this area over here, okay? This we're holding. VRAR over here, we're going to put a stop at the pre-market high. First target, J lines over here, 206. Tesla, we can trail everything at 469 and 50s. MOBX, we can cover it. Think we can have a little bit more unwind, but that's a good trade from the team. So we short on a pump and dump over here. RZLV, you can take a little bit more. TCBP, guys, it's a short we took in pre-market. So you can cover here a little bit more. Then we have VSD. We didn't have a J line rejection in the gate, so we are waiting over here for a J lines over here. So mentor students over here showed always the tops. Okay, all these were break even wins. Then over here we started to load. I looked over here. This is 380 for the team, and fade over here like almost 50% at 190. So pretty good to take off the majority of the size. And UKK we're gonna wait. PLRZ use stop break even. VRR also use break even. Maybe let's look at this 1 second. Okay, so I want to look over here for potential long plays that we had. So we'll see the long. So it's important for me to look at mid-morning, or actually let's say 10 o'clock, then again mid-morning. So when I say mid-morning, it's going to be around 10:30, 11 o'clock. For potential long play. So MOBX, I mean, it's the fader this morning. We have over here a VWAP projection, so pretty good gap and crap. No long play up to the gate, simply fading. Okay. WEMI, it's generally a pump and dump, likes to spike and then give back on the same day. We had over here, the system was saying a long play, but it came really for a few cents. I wouldn't look really for any short or long on WEMI. If you're short, just hold it. MTech, very low liquidity. So I would like over here an extension to the upside. And there we go. So MTech could be a good push. But over here, very low volume. Yeah, we had some bars around 700, so not really that low, but not enough over here to give a long play. You can see, Mom.
Yeah.
Let's see if, for example, we start having a reclaim of this, and we can have a long play today coming up. What else? CGTX. So open. We had over here our zone to short between 115 and 120. We alerted. We had that at 125. So CGTX. Let's see over here. CGTX. 2 minutes. This over here. You see.
Yeah.
So this is pretty good. Faded all the way down. I would look only over here to hold a short. TCBP, gap and crap, no major play. MTVA, only short. PLRZ is behaving good. So high of day fake out, and then this failed. We faded pretty good. Okay, pretty good. It's only the VWAP in 1 minute J-lines. I want to see this to unwind a little bit more. So if you took this with us, it's a pattern that we like to trade as a gap and crap with extension to the pre-market high. So it's always a gap and crap intended, but extends to the pre-market high. You can see over here that at the open extends and we fail the pre-market high and then come down. PLRZ, we had over here on Bookmap before. So you could see really when to jump in. Once we had this rejection, then we jump in over here, boom. It's an incredible wash. Beautiful over here extension on Bookmap. Yeah, pretty good play. And then NUKK. Came over here, we took the hull short, came to the J lines and pushed. So it's gonna reopen and then possibly another push to the high of day 25. This is PR0. And I would be looking to short this only if we get back to the 310, 320s. That will be my A plus at a play, or a major over here, fake out 277. So we are over here PR0. We'll like over here this 277, 280 fake out. VST, we are short, major short play. We took the short here, coming down, so simply hold it. VRAR, for me, is still a good short play until we are below the pre-market high. So nothing really to say on this. NQ, we had the morning over here open, J-line rejection were pretty good. Now it's stalling, no setup over here in the middle, so avoid over here sideways action. Tesla push over here, you can see exactly to the J-lines 468 and 40s, fell all the way down, came down over here around 7 points, then pushed back up. And this was the major over here dip, you know, that we can see this morning. This is for a long play. And then once we had this long play, we also had a pennant over here, or yeah, more like a pennant, right? So you can see over here contraction, so bars are always becoming smaller and then big breakout. This is Tesla. Nvidia, daily breakout over here, and then you can see the fail with this major spike. And the other one I was watching was AMD. Nothing over here to trade. Amazon, nothing to trade. Meta over here, bounce play. We had almost like an inside bar, not really perfect 100%, but pretty good. Okay, so let's go back over here. I don't see for now the long plays that we said. No. Okay. So some good plays on this. VRAR is still good short. PRZ is still a good short. So we'll simply hold those. Exactly. Thank you, buddy. FOMC this today. Think that's a 230, right? So I can bring it up over here for X Factory. So we have over here, no, at 8 p.m. So a little bit late in the day. And then 4:30 we have also crude oil inventory. So if everybody trades CL. PR0 dumping. BSD is simply dumping big. I mean, this is a beautiful, perfect book map. Look over here, team. MBNI now halted. VRAR finally working. So we're gonna put this. VRAR over here, you can see trendline break. Working, wanna see this as main target. And then we're gonna look for 180 if we crack. PLRZ, it came to the VWAP in J lines. It's holding right now. We have a trend line over here, seems like breaking, so careful. If you're gonna start pushing with volume, we have to cut our position. Maximum gonna risk over here, break even. WIMI is fading, so not really interested. MTech over here, low volume, but it popped. Not really interested at the moment. Abbott is gonna be a fade over here. So for now it's fading. CDTX, we're gonna hold it for low of day. I would really like this to go, this was a pretty good pattern. We'd like to go this 0.50s. So CDTX. TCBP, major fader. Mi piace quando c'è 1 e 2, vedi?
Yeah.
Oppure sono assieme, come questo qui. Quello su sono assieme. Fai fatica a vedere perché sono uno sopra l'altro. Come queste di che sono assieme?
Sì.
Se io vado lì, edizione 1 e 2. Questo è l'altro. PLRZ, come on, you can do it. Target over here. And UKK, I will look for 28 or 29. So we're looking over here in UKK. So this morning we had a short over here, 22. We covered partials over here, partials over here. We read it and cut right away. We short over here after the halt. We covered partials of J-lines again and out. Now, of course, we were short. We didn't take the long play. Long came over here with this VWAP reclaim. We're gonna look for 28, 29, that area, in case we can have a short play. PR0 1 minute J lines. So it faded pretty good. BST 180. Anche questo, vedi 1, 2, qui.
Anche questo.
1, 2 è un po' troppo basso, preferisco entrare qui. Let's watch a nuke, guys. This is, you have to be pretty careful. It's really not for newbies. Anybody traded nuke today? Questa è la nostra zona, qui, lassù, e anche qui, Poi aspetti il tuo arrow, che c'è stato questo arrow qui, vedi? Adjusting, this one. Non ho fatto questo perché è vicino a J-lines, troppo vicino. Lo devo fare sempre quando sono più lontano. Okay, looking over here, guys, on Nuke is a 5-minute halt. So we have to hold our position. PRZO, VRR, PLRZ, CDTAC, TCVP. Let's hold, okay? 20 minute 5 our target, and then hourly J lines. Tesla, good play with the J lines on the dip, so you can trade the long play over there, trade with the 90-minute higher lows. And UKK, as we said, we had a halt day 2. A lot of volume traded yesterday. A lot of shorts are squeezed, giving short and long plays. I'm gonna be looking if we can have a 28, 29 pop and fill short of the gate. So when I say gate means the level of pre-market high, and above, in this case, the 30 level. So careful, because I see that DAS is a little bit of problems. Okay, so that is on one broker. So if you have problems, always remember to not push it. Let's look over here for a reopen on NQ. Yeah, we have 1 minute. 1 minute more or less. All right, team, let's look over here on NQ. And UKK. Ten-minute halt. Okay, open. Careful over here. watching the 30, above 30. This is one of those tickers. Halt again. Don't touch newbies. NUKK. Once we dipped at open, J-lines 1. No reason to trade now short above pre-market high after 10 a.m. Okay. PRZO working. PLRZ hold risk 425. SEEB GTX working. VSD working. TCBP working. Tesla working. Hold and patience. Okay. Hold with patience. And VRR over here, I cannot really say it's a perfect trade. It touched the 1 minute J lines, didn't fail as I want. Ok, wanna see this from white. Later guarderemo come sono andati i longs. Ok?
Sempre ci sono pochi. Non c'è niente.
Non ce ne sono tanti.
No.
Lì devi aspettare lì parecchio, capito? Short se ne sono una buffata.
Non perdere tempo. Qualcosa.
See. Like over here, traders, I was looking at VRR J lines. Okay, this is the long play on VRR 1019. Yeah, I want a little bit better bookmap level over here. All right, team. So we started a little bit early this morning. So I think that we had a pretty good screen share. Again, for everybody that is looking to join us, over here I put some broker statements from how I turned one of my first account to more than 600 in a year with broker statements. This is the link instead for the prices, okay, so you can get a challenge and trade against me and other traders. This is instead your free fastest hamper, so you can get the Dash Trading ebook, day trading ebook, sorry, Dash Hotkey, J-lines template, and also for who wants to come to Dubai, we're gonna have a seminar there one day. Just reach out to me, okay? And we're gonna look together, you know, into your trading. We'll give you some tips, and I mean, pretty good morning and good trading. Risk over here now, only I would say, if this is the time of the day, only 1/5 of your profits. We had a good morning, so I don't want that you go back and trade more because you're over a trader. You want more, you want to be greedy, and then you give back the profits that you made the same day. What else? 6th to 10th of January for who wants to come in Italy. Over here I have my training room. We're building 2 floors for the training academy and training room. So just write to me. You can write also email or over here on Twitter. And then you can simply join with me and trade with me for 5 days. Thank you very much, guys. See you back next week. Happy holidays to everybody, and good luck for your trading.